Take command of the road in the 2009 Jeep Wrangler. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, skid plates, and power windows. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.